This is how I clean my ICV valve. You can see how much dirt I got off of there. I just took it off and I put my finger through that so I clog a hole. Just go to town with the mass flow cleaner. It's already got a lot of dirt out. It's already cleaned, very clean. I'm gonna show you where to put it back. Cleaned up my throttle body, both sides, and under I put my ICV valve. My ICV valve is down there, and I'm gonna plug it into that plug. I'm gonna plug in that back end and tuck it in under my manifold so that I could bolt it down. You just tuck it in down there. See, I tucked my ICV valve. You just like press it down under and pick it up, and then you bolt it down right here. So I was pressing it up and it's in there. You kind of see right here. You kind of see right here the gasket's in there. I tried picking it up. It moves around, but it's in there. So I plugged in my ICV down there under my throttle body down there. I plugged it up there, and I just need to bolt it up. I need to bolt down those 3 bolts under the engine oil level thing. I'm just hand tightening these bolts. I need the last one. It's all the way down there under the throttle body. And I got my new throttle body boot. I'm gonna throw it on and finish this up. I got a brand new MAF sensor, OEM. Oh, it's actually all used, but it's good condition. And I got a brand new K&N filter. Got the boot on and the MAF on, and then I just need to throw my K&N filter on, and then I'm gonna throw on the new filter, and she's good to go. Gonna start her up. Filter on. My brand new filter. I wanted to finish doing everything, bolting everything, all these zip ties, but these mosquitoes are something else. What's up, YouTube? I got my car ready, everything bolted down, no more mosquitoes, and I'm just gonna try and start it now. It's the first test start. I want to start. As you can see, my battery just is not on there right. I need to fix it. Took me a while, but she's running. Sounds healthy.